Friends, today I bring for you top IELTS listening tip and tricks. If you like, please subscribe the YouTube channel IELTS with After and share the video with others. Here are 15 effective tips and tricks to help you excel in the IELTS listening test. 1. Understand the test format. Familiarize yourself with the format of the IELTS listening test, including the types of questions and the timing for each section. 2. Practice regularly. Regular practice is essential for improving your listening skills. Listen to a variety of English materials such as podcasts, news broadcasts, and audiobooks to expose yourself to different accents and speaking speeds. 3. Predict answers. Before listening to each section, quickly skim through the questions and try to predict what the answers might be. This will help you focus your attention during the listening passage. 4. Focus on keywords. Listen for keywords and phrases that signal the main ideas, opinions, or answers. These keywords will guide you to the correct information. 5. Watch out for distractors. Be cautious of distractors, false information, or similar sounding options meant to confuse you. Pay close attention to the context to avoid falling for these traps. 6. Take efficient notes. Develop a shorthand system for taking notes during the listening passage. Focus on jotting down keywords and main ideas rather than trying to write everything verbatim. 7. Practice active listening. Engage actively with the listening material by predicting, summarizing, and questioning as you listen. This will help improve your comprehension and retention. 8. Use context clues. If you're unsure about an answer, use context clues from the surrounding information to make an educated guess. 9. Check your spelling. In questions where you need to write answers, pay attention to spelling and grammar. Even if your answer is correct, you may lose marks for spelling mistakes. 10. Manage your time. Pace yourself during the test to ensure you have enough time to answer all the questions. If you're stuck on a question, move on and return to it later if time permits. 11. Learn to recognize accents. Practice listening to different English accents, including British, American, Australian, and others. This will help you understand a variety of speakers during the test. 12. Listen for signposting. Pay attention to signposting language such as firstly, in conclusion, or on the other hand, which can help you follow the structure of the listening passage. 13. Review your answers. Once you've completed each section, take a moment to review your answers and make any necessary corrections. 14. Practice under test conditions. Simulate exam conditions by practicing timed listening tests. This will help you get accustomed to the time pressure and build confidence for the actual exam. 15. Stay calm and confident. Maintain a positive mindset and stay calm during the test. Trust in your preparation and focus on doing your best. By following these tips and tricks and dedicating yourself to regular practice, you'll be well prepared to tackle the IELTS listening test successfully. Good luck! Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for notifications.